I am so excited to see you here and jumping into the world of crepe paper flowers. As you look around my site, you might notice that this is one of my passions. I started making paper flowers from other types of paper about 15 years ago, but it was in 2016 that I really fell in love with crepe paper, and that was when I was introduced to the German crepe paper. There is just something about the quality and the stretch and that the way that they create this material that makes it so easy to make the most gorgeous flowers. To help you get started on your crepe paper journey, I've gathered all of our favorite tutorials and patterns and videos, and we've collected them for you down below. Start with the video below where I'm talking about the 10 things you'll want to know about crepe paper. I feel that understanding your material will really help set you up for success so that you can make some gorgeous projects. In step 3, I've picked out 6 flowers that are perfect for those who are starting their crepe paper journey, but yet they're still beautiful. And I'm going to warn you right here, once you get started, crepe paper flower making can be a little bit addictive. So once you've finished your first 6 projects, step 4 is all about diving in. So I've created an easy access library with all kinds of templates and tutorials for crepe paper flowers, as well as videos and advanced training. At the bottom of the page in number 5, you'll find a resource of all of our recommended materials and tools and supplies because we want to make this journey so easy for you and very accessible. We are so excited to see what you create, so make sure when you share your photos on social, you use hashtag #MadeWithLeah so we can follow along with your journey. Now you're ready for step 2. So click and watch the video below.